I get asked all the time, does Business Central have a CRM or customer relationship management tool embedded inside of it? Well, I'm here to answer that question today. And yes, it does have a CRM tool built into the ERP itself, meaning that you can track all of your contacts or leads and their associated interactions, such as emails or phone calls or events with those contacts. And you can also track the opportunities that exist out there with those leads and turn those opportunities into quotes, and then of course the associated orders and customers, moving your way all the way down to collecting the cash from that given customer. So it starts as that entry point for any sort of customer, whether it's a lead, an opportunity, a quote, what have you, and all of that is able to be tracked inside of the application. Though there are some limitations with Business Central CRM, such as you don't have that capability to send out SMS text messages or have nurture email sequences. Some of those capabilities would exist within Dynamics 365 Sales, which is the tier 1 CRM application that is available as a bolt-on or an add-on license to Business Central for just an additional $20 per user. So if you have more questions on the CRM capabilities that exist within Business Central, then feel free to reach out to one of our team members today. We're happy to connect with you and work with you on evaluating if it's going to suit your needs or not.